Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. It's your boy, Dr. Food. I am in the middle of nowhere, somewhere in the street of India, just trying to survive. And I want you to be part of this journey of mine and watch me survive. What am I doing here? I just have this vision and passion to test all the street food here in India before leaving. I don't know how possible, but I believe with God all things are possible. Oh God! So I would like you to be part of this journey of mine by subscribing, commenting, sharing of this video. Anytime you come across this video, please do me that favor. It will go a long way for me.
Oh, not too much.
You only know what can come. Okay.
So what am I eating today? I'm eating pani puri. Pani puri and cheeseburger. And this burger is different from the one you know, but they are all burger. Burger is burger. You get? So I'm eating pani puri and cheeseburger. Look at where I am right now.